Yo, Tumega is delusional. At this point, she is beyond delusional, okay? She definitely wants to keep Zetsu's child all by herself, going against everyone's advice, even Hlatzi's. Hlatzi tries to tell her that no, perhaps they are pushing it too hard and too much, because really all that Zetsu need right now is help. But Utumega is like, listen, Yasana, Ahlati, I do love you, right? But if ever you're going to go against my way in trying to protect my grandchild, listen, I will fight you as well. I think Utumega has convinced herself that truly Uoguhle needs protection from Uzetsu. I mean, I'm not going to lie, Zetsu was having it hard, to adjust to being a first-time mom. And really, she did needed help, and she did push people away. And at some point, I was questioning myself, how's it? Why are you pushing Utumega? Someone who could offer you help, the Mabandlas, But right now, I'm like, Tumega, why do you have to prove me right? Okay, this is why Zetsu was pushing you away. Like, why are you rational? Like, no logic whatsoever. Oh my gosh, I don't know how Tumega reason. And at this point, I do not want to know. So yes, Utumega went ahead and filed a case against Zetsu. So now Zetsu is under investigation. Even the social worker showed up in Zetsu's house just to ask what exactly has been happening ever since Zetsu became a mom. And she does say, listen, Zetsu, you don't have to explain yourself further. Did you or did you not put a child in a dustbin? Do you understand how bad that statement is? And Zetsu had to just say, yes, I did, okay? And to be honest, and the social worker therefore asked Uguti, did Zetsu leave the child alone unattended for a period of time? And Zetsu is like, yes, I did. And she's like, listen, you will explain later. Everything will be explained later. Right now, I just need a yes or a no answer. Zetsu lost it at her sister, Uthokozile, who is still giving Zetsu bad advices, because she's like, listen, just go and kidnap your child. This is your child. Zetsu is like, are you crazy? Are you crazy? What do you even mean that I must kidnap my child? Okay, I cannot kidnap my child. Kidnapping my child will definitely prove to Utumega that whatever that she is saying, I am right, or she is right about whatever that she has been saying about me. So therefore, I cannot go through those lengths, And Zetsu is then saying, you know what, I want to cut ties with you, Togosile. I'm like, it's about time, It's about damn time for Zetsu to cut off some ties with Togosile. And then she's like, listen, Togosile, I like you, this, that, and the other thing. But right now, I think it's best for both of us to cut off ties. You will see how you are surviving. And please go back to Steve. And I'm like, yeah, Uzetsu does not need someone like Tawozile by her side. So it does seem like Uzetsu is willing to fight for custody, as she should, as she should. This is her child after all. But she is willing to cut loose Uthokozile. I do feel bad that Zetsu really does have no one, not even her mom by her side. She just have herself. And this is bad, it's horrible, but yeah, I hope someone can come through for Uzetsu and help Uzetsu fight this custody battle. Tumega is just evil, okay? And may Uzetsu never allow or grant Tumega visiting hours ever again. Because what do you mean? What do you mean, Tumega? Yo, Uzetsu Bafazi and Uthokozile, they lost a baby. I get. So Uzetsu went for a walk. Washi umntwana noThokozile. Well, we all know Uthokozile, as soon as Steve calls, that girl should be like, how high should I jump, Steve? And Steve utilalela, oh, she ingane uze kumina. And Uthokozile did exactly that, okay? This time around, I'm sorry, Zetsu. I am so sorry. I cannot be on your side. Like, I tried. I tried to be on Zetsu's side. I tried to go easy on her, thinking that she's a first-time mom, we should show her some grace. But I get it now. I feel like at this point we have shown you enough grace. So to mega guys, sana, one thing. One thing told me this child could be into Mega's house. When Zethu and Thokozile got into the house, they realized ingani ayikho, and they called the police. They explain exactly what happened. Zethu is crying. Zethu is also blaming Thokozile. Thokozile, oh, but this is your fault, Thokozile, no, let's stop blaming each other and let's just come up with the solution. Perhaps let's call police, right? So they called the police. Listen, on the next scene, tell me ukuthi umntwana ukuphi. Uthumeka Thumayiza ulimise. Hayi usithushana. She walks in with a child, and legit uHlathi benothulani are shocked ukuthi ayibo uZethu, who was very strict ngomntana again, who made sure ukuthi she doesn't want ukuthi umntana yakhe ayohlala kamabandla, legit allowed you to come here with the child. Uthumeka, no, uZethu akangivumelanga ngiyithathele mina ingane, ngibona ingane ineglectiwe ngathatha. And they're like, what do you mean? And Uthumeka is like, listen, I got into that house, the door was not locked, the baby was there by herself, and there was no one else in the house. When I tried to call Zethu, the phone was ringing inside the house. So therefore, I made a decision to leave with the child. Sana Uthumeka. I want to say Uthumeka is hard, Uthumeka is this, but guys, no, I have give Zethu enough grace. At this point, I'm like, Zethu, do you really still deserve my grace? Do you really still deserve my grace? I feel like I've given you enough grace. You keep on letting this baby down, and you keep on fighting to be in this baby's life, okay? Not so long ago, the very same Zethu was talking about taking the baby to KZN. I feel like uZethu is against ukuthi lo mntwana lo abe in a relationship with the Mabandlas. Anything except the Mabandlas will work well for uZethu. And I think really uZethu, guys, she's not thinking what's best for the child at this point. I'm like, Zethu, Ngeke, we cannot keep on giving you grace after grace, because it does not even seem like you are thinking for the best of the child, what will be best for this child. Anyway, guys, finally, Thandeka is the savior of the day, the one who walked in and realized, hayibo sana, Uthumeka is with a child. And that's when that she was like, you know what, let me call Zethu and let Zethu know this, okay? Zethu when uThokozile, they rush in Kesana. Then I come, Mom, Tanami, not Uthumeka saying, no, don't even stress that much, okay? However, you are not having any access to this child. uZethu uba like, what do you mean? This is my child, Phela. And Uthumeka uba like, lobo umshiya yedwa, lobo umshiya yedwa. And uZethu uba like, yeah, I feel like you've been waiting for this opportunity. So guys, just at least Uthumeka akazi ukuthi uZethu uke wafaka umntwana edustbin, because imagine if Uthumeka bakazi ukuthi uZethu uke wafaka umntwana edustbin. This means Zethu was going to be in prison, Kesan. This means Zethu was going to be in prison, like she was going to be in imprisonment. Even if that's the word, but Zethu was not going to be with us, with the living. No. Zethu was going to be in prison. So yeah, guys, Uthumeka denies the access to Zethu. Uba like calls uZethu an unfit mother. You are unfit. All along, I've been suspecting that you are unfit. And she's like, we've been cuddling you for far too long. And uThokozile uthi uyayingena indaba uthi nje Uthumeka, no, we will go to court rather. So it seems like there is a huge custody battle that is about to break out between uThumeka and uZethu. Honestly speaking, I don't like uThumeka. I do feel like uThumeka is not a good person. However, in this case, Zethu my babe. In this case, Zethu my babe, I'm sorry. I have to be Team Thumeka. Like, you have proven to just, like at some point you're not thinking what's best for the child. You are thinking that you should be spiting the Mabandlas. And honestly, I do feel like, as annoying as Thumeka is, she is the best candidate to look after the baby. And Zethu is not open to that. I'm sorry, but Zethu is getting on my nerves now. Like, she is getting on my nerves. She is being selfish. She only thinks for herself. And the worst part here is that she is actually struggling taking care of the baby, yet she refuses the help that the Mabandlas are willing to offer her. Each and every time Thumeka tries her hardest, Zethu is like, it is not happening. So currently right now, the Mabandlas, they were offering to do some sort of usiko for umntana kaZethu. uZethu is like, no, that is not happening. I'm not going to give you guys the umbilical cord of my child. Not now, and definitely not ever. And I'm like, Zethu, this time around, you are becoming annoying. Like, I sympathize with you thinking you're going through the most. You are not. You just want to spite the Mabandlas. For what reason, I don't know. Here is Zethu and her sister. They are having conversations that they should take the baby to KZN so that the baby will be taken care of by their mother. Is that even necessary when Thumeka have been trying to reach out? Like, no ways. I feel like right now what Zethu is doing to Thumeka is totally unfair and uncalled for. Thumeka is more than willing to take care of that baby. Like, that's the only thing that Thumeka wants. And I feel like uZethu just wants to spite uThumeka. And at this point, I'm like, baby girl, you getting on my nerve. Anyway, uZethu beNxolani, they had a talk, which was much needed, whereby uXolani told uZethu, you know what, I was getting cold feet, bro. You know what, better be honest. Xolani was like, I was getting cold feet, and I'm sorry, but I was getting cold feet, so therefore I couldn't be there for you in time of need. And uZethu is like, you know what, maybe it was for the best. Either way, I was also experiencing postpartum depression, so being with you probably wouldn't have worked out either way. I don't have time to focus in a relationship right now. I just want to focus on myself. Meanwhile, uZethu step out and ask uThokozile for her irresponsible sister to take care of uOkuhle. And guess what? Steve calls. We all know when Steve calls, Thokozile jumps. Thokozile jumped Kesana and left the baby alone. Did they not come back home and the baby is gone? Gone kanje Kesana. Yay, another part of me wants to say uThumeka stole that baby because she had the news of the baby going to KZN. But the other part of me is just so annoyed by uZethu beNothokozile. Super annoyed, Kesana. Like, I can't deal with both of them trying to punish uThumeka wabantu. I know Thumeka is not an angel. She can be annoying at times. But uZethu, no, I can't anymore be here and defending uZethu. Zethu, change your behavior, babes. Change it now. Sana, what just happened on Inimba? We just witnessed the biggest argument between Lazarus and Zolega. Oh, Sana, never have I. You know, the way they were so in love and they had a good thing going on between the two of them, and their communication was top, okay? They knew how to communicate. Just to experience such a huge breakout, a huge argument, I did not think of it. Anyway, it's good to see that everyone have some sort of insecurities in a relationship, because I do feel like Lazarus suffered from a bit of insecurities. Other things, I felt like they were a bit exaggerated, super unnecessary. I'm like, Lazarus, okay? The fact that he went and fetched Zolenga from Hlati's house and he come back and make it a big deal. He's like, yeah, out of all the places where you could have went when you wanted to cool off a bit, you chose to go to Hlati's house. Hlati is your ex-husband. Tumega is like, what do you mean it's Hlati's house? It's not Hlati's house alone. It's Hlati's house and Tumega's house. Like, nope, you went to your ex-husband whom you share children with. You needed comfort from your ex-husband. And he's like, I don't get why you don't get my side. Zolega is like, I don't get how you don't get my side. At that point, I was hurt and I needed familiar faces. You need to get my side. You know, at this point, they do not want to get each other's side until Ukawe and Azande walked in on them arguing, and they were shocked because, you know, these two people are in a lovely bubble land. No one even thinks of them fighting or arguing, you know what I mean? So this was a shocker, and I think something finally clicked on Usigqibo, you know, and you could tell though, you know, one thing I do love about Zolega and Lazarus is that even though in the midst of their argument, but you could tell that love is there. They are arguing, yes, but this is not because they don't love each other or they want to spite one another. It's because, obviously, you know, when you're trying to get your point ahead and another person is not getting your point, it's kind of like frustrating. Nah, it's frustrating me, I know. If I'm trying to raise my point and you don't want to hear my point, if anything, you want me to hear your point, that's what creates big arguments, you know. Anyway, Lazarus now goes to the bedroom and be like, okay, Zolega, how did we get here? I'm like, Puti, njani ke ngoku? Njani, what do you mean you don't know how you got into this point? You got into this point because you are the one who decided to make big decisions, big moves, without including Uzolega, including telling Uzolega ukuthi she won't be CEO anymore. I do believe that Lazarus will believe that the position of being a CEO is not worth losing Uzolega over. And he will be like, it's okay, Zo. I like a woman who fights for what she believes in and what she believes this is right for her. So Uzolega shameful fought a nail in the tooth for that CEO position. Meanwhile, the Mabandlas, what else can the Mabandlas do or be without being annoying? The Mabandlas, annoying as ever, they want to do isiko lika okuhle, and they're like, oh, we have to do it the Mabandla way. Kaloku phela umntana simhlawulile. You know, mangayesa bakhuluma kanjalo. So yeah, they claim ukuthi kaloku umntana bamlobolile, so therefore nje umele bakhiphelo imali, imoli, you know. They claim ukuthi yeah, phela bona umntana bamlobolile, and therefore money must be not imali. Why am I saying money? I'm so sorry, guys. Therefore uZethu should allow them ukuthi bayenze isiko, and it's like lesiko leli we have to ukuthi siliyenze, like there is no any other way. We have to ukuthi siyenze isiko and bazofuna usiko through inkaba yomntwana, not uZethu benosisi yakhe bathi yiphi yona inkaba yomntwana yothina singcwabile shem. So this is a new fight again. Nithini ke ngoku bafazi iyogujwa inkaba yomntwana la ingcwetshwe khona emathuneni, and like most likely abasakhumbulana ukuthi bayingcwabe phi, and I wouldn't even blame uZethu makathi ayo mina ngisakhumbula ukuthi le nkaba ngiyingcwabe phi makayona ngiyingcwabile. Ooh, the Mabandla's shame, their drama, I can't with them. Oh, Asana Uzolega ndiyamjaja for taking Bavumile to Hlati's house. Yes, I'm side-eyeing Lazarus right now. I'm like, what happened to our sweet romantic Lazarus? What happened to him? However, Zolega's actions are unjustifiable. Like, every time you have an argument with your husband, you're gonna end up in your ex-husband's house. That looks so wrong. It does not matter that your ex-husband is now married to your sister. He is still your ex-husband. To make it worse, their son, Bavumile, both Lazarus and Zolega were kind of like off-leash with allowing Hlati to be in Bavumile's life. But now Uzolega just ran straight into Hlasi's house. And that's beside the point. It's not even about Zoba Family. Honestly, it's really beside the point. Here is Zolega had an argument with her husband, which is Lazarus, and the first thing that came to her mind is to go to her ex-husband's house. What do you mean, Zolega? What do you mean? However, I am definitely mad at Lazarus. I'm not gonna sit here and act as if I want to speak on Lazarus' behalf. Lazarus, I mean, like, this position of being a CEO has definitely